Imagine sending an outreach message today and landing that client by tomorrow. Sounds impossible, right? Well, most freelancers think it is, but it's actually not. The reason why 9 out of 10 outreach messages gets ignored every single time is not because you're lacking a skill, it's because everybody's making the same mistake when reaching out. And by the end of this video, I will guarantee you will find that mistake and a little tiny tweak that will already help you realize what is holding you back. I remember when I first started freelancing, I spent hours sending outreaches, 20, 30, 50, 60, even 100 a week. And almost all of them got ignored, ghosted, scroll through, no replies, and I felt like I was shouting into the void. I literally thought I wasn't good enough, or I didn't have good enough skills or right enough skills, but in the end I figured out it wasn't about skills at all. It was about approach. And the mistake wasn't obvious in the beginning. I had confidence. I had examples, I had experience, I had testimonials, I had social proof, I even customized messages a little bit, but still nothing worked. And honestly, most freelancers are stuck in the same cycle right now. Sending generic, self-focused, boring outreach and then wondering why nobody responds. Now here's the thing, this little tiny mistake just might be the thing that's standing between you and your clients. And here's the crazy part. Finding it isn't about working harder. It's about changing one simple thing in your approach. And later on, I'm gonna show you real examples of bad outreach. Why are they bad? Why are they not working? And how to fix them. And if you want a full system, copy and paste templates, step-by-step outreach frameworks, and multiple strategies and outreach methods that actually land clients, that's all inside of my community, High Rise Academy, link down below. But first, let's take a look at what most freelancers do wrong. Here's the first generic outreach message. Let's go through it thoroughly and analyze it. What's wrong? Hello, my name is whatever. I'm a professional video editor from whatever. I have experience working with different types of clients and creating content for social media platforms. I saw your Instagram profile and I think I can help you make your videos even better. If you're interested, please let me know and I will be happy to send you some samples. Thank you. Now, problem with this message, it's too formal. It reads like a template and it's not specific, detailed, and no hook and no reason to reply. It's polite. It maybe even sounds a little bit professional, but it sounds like a template, something that anybody can use. No context for client to think like, oh, this person actually gets me, he has been through my content and he understands my business as well as I do. So in conclusion, it's too formal, it reads like a template, there's no specific details, no hook or reason to reply. So the second example is like this. Hi, I'm an experienced video editor with over 4 years of experience in editing, motion graphics, and color correction. I've worked on many projects and I know how to make videos look professional and creative. I really love your editing content and I think I can help you grow your Instagram by making your videos look amazing. If you want to work together, I can start immediately and deliver high quality work. This one will fail because of the complete opposite problem that we had in the first one. It's too freelancer focused. He talks about how experienced he is, how good of a skill he has, and how amazing of a person he is. Clients don't care about it at all. They only care about solving their own problems, like every single person in the world, right? And when the message is self-focused like this one, it literally creates a wall between you and your client. It maybe sounds confident, but it feels irrelevant to your client and that's why you'll get ignored. Now the third example goes like this. Hey, I saw your page and I like your content. I can help you edit your videos for Instagram so that they get more views and engagement. I have some ideas about how to make your content better and more attractive. Let me know if you want to work with me. I can start anytime. So this one will fail because it's too vague and lazy. There's no personalization, no concrete insights, and no reason for client to reply. The phrases like I have some ideas or I can help you get more views sounds like a theory, but in reality they're actually empty promises. It doesn't show thought, effort, or any type of strategy, and that's exactly, well, you get ignored again. So I'll ask you right now, what can we do differently here? Here's a little small change you can implement today. Instead of starting with yourself, start with pointing out something specific about your client's recent work. Then hint at how you can actually help them improve or make it even better. And that little tiny tweak will actually make you stand out from the rest, because nobody's using this. And honestly guys, this is just the beginning. The full strategies, the full framework, the full multiple outreach methods are actually inside of my school community, link down below. Now here's a real example. I sent a message like this to a client I thought I'd never hear from. I mentioned something they just posted, I highlighted a small improvement, a small problem that I noticed that I can make better and enhance it, showed my proof, used outreach methods that I share inside of my school community, and then sparked curiosity. And within a few hours, I got a reply and eventually landed that client, guys. And that's the power of sending a high quality outreach message. much. Now imagine having multiple strategies like this for your different types of clients. That's what really moves the needle. Full copy and paste templates, training on multiple outreach methods, step-by-step frameworks to land client consistently. And what I showed you today is not even 1% of what I'm sharing inside of my school community, but even if this one tiny little snippet helps you, imagine what will the full system actually do for you. So if you ever felt ignored, ghosted, or stuck sending messages consistently and never getting replies, again, it's not about your skill, it's about your approach. Go and implement this small tiny tweak that I shared with you today in this video, and then if you want a full framework, come back, click on the link below and join my school community, where we already have 85 members who are consistently working and communicating together like a real family. Alright guys, go and tweak your first message and try it out. It works, I promise. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.